So I just want to ask you guys, how many trades have you gotten so far today? Because today was amazing, especially this trade on gold. This was amazingly amazing. This is one of the most important trades that I've ever taken, right? This trade, it's, you can say that I don't even know what to say because I'm smiling whilst actually talking about this. You can't see me, but I'm very much happy about this trade. So on gold, only 2 trades today so far. Very nice trades. Now US 500, I still know we are currently in a downtrend, but this was a very strong buy zone. So that's why I'm buying. I want price to take out these highs right here. And before you start talking, I actually know what I'm risking. I'm risking over $1,200, and that is it on this trade. So with price still moving right here, I don't really care because I know my risk, right? And USD JPY was massive. I've already taken first and second TP at 8k. Both of them came all the way down to this zone right here, took TPs around somewhere here at 8k, thereabouts around here. It was a massive trade as well. So what do you think? What do you think is happening? What do you think is happening? Because I'm currently waiting for Gemini 30 to also give me a very good setup before I could do what? Execute another massive trade. This week is marvelous. To be honest, this week is marvelous. These trades have already gotten into those, and I did not actually see this drop, but yes, so far so good. The day has been massive. The day has been marvelous and massive. Look at the push all the way up. It's amazing. It's amazing to see this type of trades. If you want to actually check out this trade on gold, there's a video on this channel about it, and I'll actually make an analysis on what happened and how I actually got this massive move, right? Let's see what happens next. Today is amazing. Today is amazing. Have a good trading week. Please try your best and learn how to chat because it's one of the most important things in trading, right?